It's time for multi-card review from the 90s, Famicom. Welcome to the Wicked Gamer and Collector, welcome back to the channel. It is time for a new multi-card from the 90s. It's the 4-1. This is a 4-1 collection. What are we going to get? Well, it's a little bit of a filthy card. Oh yeah, we go having here a filthy card. So this is what we're going to get. Very curious. What kind of games are it? I see already Mario on it, Duck Hunt. I think we're going to get a lot of homebrew, a lot of crappy stuff, a lot of double stuff. But yeah, man, these are the 90s. These are the multi-cards back in the day. Thanks to Multicard Collector, check out the Instagram, see Borrow Me This, borrowing a lot of multi-cards, supporting the channel, giving us the opportunity to, check it out. And check our Instagram, leave a link in the description, because he make very nice, pretty picture, and he put on Instagram so for you to enjoy. That sounds really extra, that makes it extra wrong, but nevertheless you know what I'm saying. Let's play some games. Alright, I did around, let's say, 7 attempts to boot it up. I cleaned it up with the cleaner. Closing the bottle. Alright, it's done. We can play some games. It's working. I'm happy, because I really hate it when I try to grab a card, making a video, and it's not working. Nevertheless, it's not also, it's not really, it's also very annoying for the multi-card collector, because that means he got a broken card in her collection. We have in Contra, Tetris 1 and 2, Arkanoid, Dig Dug 2, Ninja 3, let's see the next page, Mappy, Ninja, Kung Fu, Galaxian, Clue Land, oh Clue Land, I know that one, Mario 4, so yeah. Oh, Clue Land, I already see it. Wow, there are This is horrible. Alright, Tetris 1. Seems to be working. Alright. Oh, that's... Huh? Why can't I turn my brick? Oh wait, the controls are totally different. You need to press down for returning my brick. Yeah, nevertheless, it's working. Alright. I'm not a Tetris master. I suck at the game. Tetris 2. Oh, this is just basically Tetris 2. Ah, this one is working better with just normal controls. So again, keep in mind people, back at the day, in the 90s, games were pretty damn expensive. You're paying around here in the Netherlands, it's very hard to say because we have different valutas now, but nevertheless we're paying a lot of money for one game, and you can buy a multi-card game that contains, let's say, 20 games. They're not all great games, but yeah man, come on, we were children playing this, having many games. We're very, very happy. Very cool. Alright, what games do we have more? Ninja 3. What is Ninja 3? The game with the rocks and... No, this one. Come on. That was a fun game, and after a while they're going to jump. I can remember that one. Okay. Just... I want to grab the freaking apples. Oh, the apples are gone now. Oh, just great. Oh. I'm throwing shurikens, but I cannot even use them. Oh. Weird stuff. Fieme. What is Fieme? Oh, that's Contra. Alright. So this means there are not a lot of games on it. I just realized there are... I was hoping there was more like in double, but... So this means... This is an 10-1 or something like this? What is Urban Fight Champion? Oh, that's really Urban Champion. Street Fight or something like that. Macross. Sounds a little bit weird as well, right? Macross. Road Fighter. Alright. I have seen enough. Alright people, that concludes the 401 Famicom card from the 90s. It was a really filthy card from the outside. It's so filthy from the outside, but very filthy from the inside. It took me forever to clean it and get it working. So, this is what we're going to get. There is no Mario Bros 3 or that kind of games. It's just a really old 90s card with a lot of crappy games and a lot of double games, or no foreign games at all. So this is where we're going to get. Let me know what you think of this. Would you buying something like this if you still haven't Famicom and you're seeing this on the flea market or somewhere for a couple of dollars or euros? Let me know, really love to know. Well, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new to the channel and hit the little bell because you get notifications for new wicked content. And if you like gaming, check out the gaming channel. Judith, that was the original name. Yeah, there goes, he called Judith. Multi-card collector, thank you for the lending, borrowing me this. Really awesome to check it out. And see you in the next multi-card review.